Hello my beautiful friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kaylee. Hi, it's great to have you. I hope you're all doing super well. Over here in the UK, we've had some pretty miserable weather the last few days. There's definitely a storm going through. So my husband and I were actually planning on going to Scotland this weekend, but we had to change our plans because of the weather. So that's a bummer, but it just means that I get to finally film this video. I've been meaning to for the past few weeks, but I've been putting it off because life gets in the way. So without further ado, I'll just get right to it. I have never purchased a subscription box before, let alone a beauty subscription box, but I absolutely love the idea of being able to treat yourself once a month. And one of the things that is most enticing to me about beauty boxes is that you're able to try new products, maybe out of your comfort zone or from a brand that you've never heard of or never tried before. And so I'm really excited because I actually purchased two different boxes. So I've got the Glossy Box and the Birchbox. Both of these boxes cost about the same. I think I paid, after the promotional sales, £30 for 3 months subscription to both of these boxes, but on their own I think they're both about like 13 or 14 pounds. So I think I will go ahead and start with the Glossy Box, just because for the month of February, everyone that purchased this box actually got sent the same exact box. So if you've already seen somebody else unbox this, you can go ahead and skip to when I open the Birchbox or when I compare the two products in it and the worth, the value, that kind of thing. I will leave all of the timestamps down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and just skip to whichever part interests you. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one now. So this is how it looks inside of the box. As you can see, it's beautifully tied together, and I can see some crinkle paper keeping the products nice and safe. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So this is a really quick sneak peek of what it looks like inside of the box, and there is a fifth product down here. I just can't show it. Oops, there you go. So from what I can tell, very recently Glossy Box switched over from using the little leaflets or flyers inside of their boxes that tell you all of the products and the descriptions and stuff like that, to this little card that has a QR code on the back, and when you scan it with your phone, it brings up the entire booklet, I guess. So I actually really love this because it is a great way to save on paper and help out the environment a little bit. So the first product that I noticed is this big bad boy here. So this is the Original Skin Essence Toner Vegan by Happy Skin. Apparently, this is the toner your skincare routine has been longing for. This toner is the ideal skin balancer for use after cleansing with natural super ingredients that are known for skin soothing, including aloe vera juice, chamomile, and calendula. I have no idea if that's how you pronounce that. This antioxidant-rich formula will make your skin feel softer as well as more nourished and calm. This is, from what I can tell, a full-size item retailing at $34.99, which is wild. I would never pay £35 for this, but I mean, that's awesome. I will take that. Considering that I only paid about £10 for this box, that's pretty awesome. One product into this box, I've already received the full amount of my money and then some, so I feel like we're off to a great start and I could not be happier. So the next product that I'm gonna pull out of here is the Illamasqu Liquid Eyeliner. This is in a deluxe mini size and retails for about £10. The description says that bold, eye-catching looks that'll never go out of style couldn't be easier with this liquid liner pen, creating sharp, color-intense lines with ease. The unique formula of this liner is seriously smudge-proof, meaning whether you've mastered an intricate eye look, fabulously feline flicks, your liner is staying put. That's all I would ever want in a liner, so let's test this out. Oh wow! That is really nice. It is just a felt tip liner, but it does bend really nicely and feels really easy to work with. So definitely should get my use out of that product. So the next product in here is the BFF Brow Friends Forever. This is actually a full-size product, which is super awesome, and retails for only £5. So this is definitely something that if I love, I would for sure buy again. So the description of this product says, for big bushy brows that'll stand the test of time, this clear brow gel should be your go-to. Use alone or over your current favorite brow pencil or powder, applying in short upward strokes. Key ingredients in this gel are fab for the health of your brows too. Castor oil contributes to your eyebrow hairs growing thicker and more lustrous, while vitamin E nourishes each hair and strand to create volume. So this is one product that I'm super duper excited for because I've definitely been wanting a really good brow gel. I have one currently, but it's less than mediocre, so I'm really excited about this. I mean, it's a brow gel. I can't say that this is like the best product I've ever used, but it is worlds better than the brow wax that I have right now. It's not really a gel that I've been using, but I like this a ton better, so I'm definitely gonna get my use out of this. So the next product that I'm gonna pull out is this Paradox Repair 3-in-1 Conditioning Hair Mask Finishing Cream. So this is another deluxe mini size. This one retails for $10.50. The full size in this product is 20 pounds. The description for this product says, luscious locks are a must in any elegant beauty look, and this Repair 3-in-1 conditioner is a hair hero you need to know about. As a conditioner, it works instantly to detangle, soften, and repair damaged hair, while also acting as a nourishing hair mask and a finishing cream to banish frizz and flyaways. Your hair will have never felt so healthy, full, and hydrated. So honestly, this is definitely another product that I for sure think I'm gonna get the full use out of, and I'm really excited to try out. My hair is extremely damaged. About a year and a half ago, I decided to perm my hair because I've literally always wanted curly hair. I think it's stunning and just the most beautiful. But I did an at-home perm kit and I did it twice within like 3 months. And so I completely fried my hair. And so I have a ton of breakage underneath, and my ends, now that the perm is like growing out, it's pretty much like here and below, they're completely fried. I honestly need to cut my hair just like several inches, but I can't part with it. I'm not ready. So I'm putting it off and my hair is breaking and it's killing me. So hopefully this product can help me a little bit, maybe save a little bit more of my hair. Not sure, maybe that's, you know, a little bit of wishful thinking, but I'm definitely excited to try this out. So the last product in this box, I'm literally so excited for, and it may sound silly, but hear me out. So this is the Ritual of Mare. This is a sparkling hair and body mist. And typically, like, I would never purchase something like this, but I have seen on TikTok, like everywhere, the hair glitter from Eva NYC. I think that's the brand name, I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up afterwards. But it looks so beautiful, and I don't know, I want to feel like a princess and have fairy dust in my hair. Like, why not? So I'm really excited that they included like a hair sparkling mist of some kind. I feel like this box just read my mind for everything that I've been wanting or need, except for this guy. Of course, this has like the most value, and I'm definitely excited to have it, but I already have a toner and honestly just didn't really need another one, but I'm still excited to have it. Definitely not as excited as I am for this product. So this did come in a deluxe mini size and retails for $5.90, and the full size retails for $17.50. The description of this product says, boost your mood and energize your soul with the Ritual of Mare hair and body mist, celebrating the joy that comes from the bold, bright energy of the sun. This timeless scent will leave you feeling full of life all day long. This elegant and mood-enhancing scent of sweet orange and cedarwood is perfect for fragrancing your hair, skin, and surroundings. Very interesting. I don't think I'd spray this on like furniture or like my surroundings, but that's cool. All right, so I'm just gonna spray a little on my hand. Okay. Wow, that really smells amazing. I definitely am getting like a nature, like the sandalwood scent out of it, or cedarwood rather. It smells really good. It really just smells like a spa. So I'm definitely pleased with that. However, I will say now that I sprayed it, I'm not noticing like any sparkles. So that's a bit of a bummer. That was the whole reason I got so hyped for it, but that's okay. I mean, it smells amazing. Yeah, I don't see any like shimmer. Oh, well, I don't know. I can't tell if it's like shimmering because there's like maybe some tiny flecks of glitter in it, or if it's shimmering because it's kind of wet still on my skin. So I'm definitely not entirely sure, but it looks nice on camera, so I'll give it that. It's kind of borderline sticky. I'm not sure if I'd want to spray that in my hair. Okay, so this is the Birchbox, and I love this packaging. It's so cute. I love the hearts and the colors, and I just look so happy. So when you open it up, this is what you see. This subscription box does come with a pamphlet that has all of the products and descriptions listed inside, as well as the worth or value of each of them. So here's a quick sneak peek of all the products in the Birchbox. The first product I'm gonna pull out of this box is the Revolution Pro Cool Pink Correcting Primer. This is a full-size product and retails for £7. It says to use this color correcting primer as a base for makeup looks to conceal any unwanted blemishes or imperfections. This baby pink shade is perfect for brightening skin and promoting a healthy looking complexion. I definitely love the brightening factor of this. Sometimes I feel like my skin can look a little dull. However, I naturally have very red skin, so I'm not sure if the pink would accentuate that or just help brighten my skin overall, but definitely something I'm curious about. Okay, so there is the product. Yeah, it's super liquidy, so a little bit goes a long way, which is really nice because this is a pretty decent size for a primer. Yeah, I would say it definitely did a pretty good job of making the skin on my hands a little bit brighter. So the next product in the box is this Lord & Berry Soul Maxi Matte Crayon. Don't really know how to pronounce that, but I tried my best. This is also another full-size product and retails for £14, so that's awesome. 2 products in, and the worth of this box already outweighs its cost, so I'm really pleased. So the description for this product says, want a lipstick that can do it all? Not only is Lord & Berry Lip Crayon amazingly pigmented, but it's also rich with vitamin E, giving it antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and moisturizing properties. Talk about multitasking. So that's really great, and honestly the shade is really, really cute, so hopefully it looks nice on my skin. Let's try it out. I really like this. I think the color is super flattering and looks really nice on my skin. The only thing that I would say is it's very drying. Like when it says maxi matte, like it is very matte. Which I guess that's to be expected for a crayon, but my lips were already a little on the dry side, so this is definitely accentuating all of the cracks and crevices on my lips. But I suppose that's not its fault, that is my lips' fault. The next product in here is the Sensory Divine Eyes. This is a full-size eye mask, and it says, when you're feeling run down and stressed out from a jam-packed routine, it can be hard to switch off. Luckily, just 25 minutes is all it takes to magically melt away tension and eye strain with this self-heated eye mask. That's pretty cool. Using gentle, patented, air-activated eco steam technology, this mask delivers a pampering home spa experience. Huh, that's really cool. I thought it was a reusable eye mask, but I guess it's just a one-time use self-heating eye mask. That's so interesting. So it seems like once you open up the packaging, something inside of it changes chemically when it interacts with oxygen. So that's pretty cool, and I'm definitely interested in giving that a try. This product retails for £21. So personally, that is pretty pricey for a single-use eye mask. Unless I am absolutely blown away by this product, I cannot foresee purchasing this again. But I'm really grateful that they sent it in this box, because this is something that I would literally never try, and that's the whole reason why I wanted to try these boxes. So I'm really excited for this product. The next product in this box is the This Works Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. It has 2% hyaluronic acid and slow release vitamin C, which helps to pump and brighten morning skin. So it actually doesn't say in the pamphlet if this is a full size or a sample. It just says that it's the ingredient of the month. So I have no idea. But it does say that this bottle retails for £37, so I'm blown away. I do know that hyaluronic acid can be an expensive ingredient in things, so I don't know, that's pretty cool. But £37, I cannot imagine spending £37 on something this small. Maybe it is like a miracle product, but who knows? So it says, this youth boosting serum is formulated to target tired looking skin, packed with the plumping powers of hyaluronic acid and slow release vitamin C. It'll brighten, firm, tighten, and smooth your complexion in no time. I am definitely getting older, and I feel like my skin is reflecting it, so I will take all the help I can get. So the last product in this box is the Morning Street Leave-In Treatment. This lightweight leave-in treatment will hydrate, repair, and detangle your hair, suitable for all hair types and formulated with lavender essential oil for deep nourishment. No need to resist, you're bound to fall in love. So this product is said to retail for 11 pounds. However, I do think that this is either a travel or a sample size because it does not say in the description that it is a full-size product. That being said, I am really excited to try it out. I just added up the cost of each of these items, and the total cost of this Glossy Box came out to 66 pounds and 40 pence, with the most expensive item being the Essence Toner, which costs 35 pounds. So, considering that I spent only 10 pounds on this box, I am really excited for the value that I got, and each of these products, I'm really excited to use them. The total cost of this box came out to 90 pounds. That's so crazy. The most expensive item from this box was the hyaluronic serum, which came in at 37 pounds. Both of the most expensive items from the Birchbox and the Glossy Box ended up being roughly like the same cost. However, the Birchbox definitely had overall just more expensive products. If I had to pick my favorite products from each of these boxes, it would definitely be the Divine Eyes from the Birchbox, just because I'm really excited about trying this product. I have no idea what to expect, but I think it'll be really fun. And from the Glossy Box, I am for sure still really excited about this sparkling body mist and hair mist. However, it's not quite as sparkling as I was hoping for. So there you have it. Those were all the products that I got in my 2 boxes. I'm really excited about them all. Definitely let me know which were your favorite products. And if you want me to try any other boxes, just let me know in the comments below and I'll try my best to get them. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel if you want more beauty, lifestyle, and Disney related content. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!